What is up, Team Rosine24V? Welcome back to the channel here. And as you can see, I have the horses again behind me, but they're kind of just here to help welcome you to the intro. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you aren't missing out on any of the upcoming videos. And if you don't know, we are giving away currently a 2019 Dodge Ram 3500. So go hit that link down in the description, guys. If you're watching this now, that means that you have less than 24 hours to claim your double entry. So every $5 you spend on the store gets you 2 entries to win that truck, but you gotta go get yourself entered. It goes until October 27th, but get your double entries while it counts. So don't procrastinate. There's lots of good options on the store for females. There's Diesel Babe gear, there's Rosine gear, or LMP gear. It does not matter. They all get you entered. We now have Diesel Babe hoodies out on the store because I know fall is coming up and you guys are gonna want those just to stay nice and warm, and they're super comfortable, super great quality. I have a couple myself, and so does Malachi. So I really highly recommend you guys grabbing yourself one. But today, if you saw the thumbnail, yes, it happened again. Me and Malachi went yesterday to just look at a truck, and I was not expecting to leave with a truck, and we did. So, alright guys, here's the truck you've been waiting for. I'm totally just joking. Actually.
That's right. Click a button. Trying to be a platinum owner. See, I got my hat like, wait. There, now we're good. Got my hat all nice.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Ah, freaking step is so high. You see that? They don't show you that in the Chevy commercials when they say their tailgates are better, which they're not. Ford has a tailgate step thingy too. It's just not retarded design. You can actually use it. You don't have to take your hitch out every time.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't got before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going. Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing, yeah.
Alright guys, so before we get into today's video, I know some of you are going to put hate comments, and that's nothing, you know, I didn't expect. My previous video, when I made a video of us like going through a Ford lot, I noticed some comments of, oh, I'm gonna unsubscribe, you buy a Ford, something like that, like kind of like threats, and I'm like, okay, well, hit the unsubscribe button, because we all have opinions, and if you can't like respect other people's opinions, because everybody has opinions just like they have buttholes, they all stink, but we all have them. So that's what I was told growing up. So you just have to respect everybody's opinion, and you know, I make my Ford jokes, but whether you're a, you know, Chevy, Ford, Ram, whatever, does not matter to me. It matters to me the person, like who you are, like how you treat other people, everything else. It doesn't matter to me what you own or what you prefer to build. It doesn't matter to me, and it shouldn't matter to anybody else. So if you feel like it's the end of the world because we got a Ford, there's a Ford on the channel, go hit this unsubscribe button, guys, because I believe that, like I said, we all have the freedom to have our own opinion. So I know most of you are probably like, what? I didn't say anything, like what's going on? Most of you were very nice, and you know, I know some of you probably who follow me don't like Cummins, and that's completely okay. Like, I'm not gonna be mad at you just because you don't like my trucks or anything like that. Like, that's silly. It's just a truck on the end. Like, anyways, enough blabbering about that. But yes, I am sitting in a 2017 F250 Platinum, and it is sweet, guys. I actually drove this home because Malachi was driving the dually and wanted to get some roller shots, and it rides really, really nice. No really complaints. The only thing that I did notice from these seats to, I guess I compare this to the Limited, the quality of leather isn't as nice. It's not bad, it's a lot different. I feel like in the newer 2019 Fords it's probably better, but you know, you gotta compare all the leathers, because it's kind of weird just because like they keep changing the quality. Like for me, like Malachi's 2018, the Longhorn, I love that Longhorn interior. But once they changed to the 2019 Rams, the Longhorn interior and the 2019s, I just don't really like. Like I don't like the two-tone. I love the very unique stitching they had on the door, and you know, I just love the setup they had in the 2018 with the Longhorns. And you know, every truck, they're always going to be like different how they, you know, what materials use throughout the years. But this material is not bad. Actually, it's very comfortable. These seats, they're a lot bigger. And what I really love most about this Ford in particular, which I haven't driven many Fords, so what I do like about Fords though is just how, like, especially in the 2017s, because you really do notice a difference between like a 2015 to a 2017 Ford. Like I know like people are gonna argue about that. When you're sitting inside the cab, there's a huge difference. Like when we were sitting in 2015, it kind of feels a lot smaller, a lot, I guess, dark, you would say, not a lot of light access. But now when you get into this 2017, there's so much glass. Like there's this huge sunroof, and then you know the doors, the windows come down. I don't know if they're a little bit bigger, you know, like window size on the 2017s to 2015s, I don't know, but it just feels a lot roomier because of that. It like a lot of light is coming in. It just feels like there's a lot more room in here. Now the tow mirrors, I was kind of like on edge because we were looking at like a 2015 and 2017. I really like the 2015 style mirrors, and then the 2017 aren't my favorite, but now they're kind of like warming up to me, and I really think that, you know, the truck pulls them off and it looks good. And I really love the 2017 F-250 front end compared to the 2015s. You know, a lot of contouring on the hood, a lot more slick look on the front of the 2017s. I love the headlights on this truck. I mean, they look absolutely mean. They just look so aggressive. Like I was watching them reflect in the back of the tailgate of the Limited, and I was like, wow, these headlights just look amazing. The wood trim in here, there's not a ton, and that's what I was kind of like actually shocked about, because the Limited, even though we have that it is a 2019, this is a 2017, just has a lot more, I guess, detail, you would say, into it. And what I mean about that is I mean like wood grain stitching, you know, different color variations inside the truck. This one is kind of just like there's only a little bit of wood on side of the doors. Now this software is a lot different though than the Ram system, so it kind of took some getting used to and knowing where all the controls were. It was kind of funny. Like I didn't even know how to like turn up the fan or not. Like it's just learning a lot of new things. But there are things a lot of similar, so that's what's kind of crazy. Like the center console, like you can, you know, see a bird's view around the truck, I guess. But no, it does not have side cameras. It does have a front and back camera, which is pretty cool. And then another thing I really liked was that it had factory bed liner, and that, you know, it doesn't sound like, it sounds silly, but a lot of trucks used to not, you know, come with bed liner, but now it is like a factory thing that they do. And I think that's awesome because it's just easier to maintain and it looks better, and when you don't have like 1,000, you know, scratches on your aluminum bed. But anyways, I crack all my Ford jokes, but this truck is pretty nice, guys. Malachi absolutely loves it. Alright guys, so this is the next day, and we just figured out this has like massage seats. I think we knew it, but we just didn't know how to do it yet.
I'm sorry guys, the Limited doesn't have massaging seats.
Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. Like my butt is getting massaged in a truck right now. I don't know how to like react to this.
Hey, I gotta say though, if you travel a lot of hours in a truck that doesn't ride necessarily like a Cadillac because it's a heavy duty, this will like ease out your muscles in your lower back and your legs from
But like
sitting.
I don't know how to react to this driving. How do you feel like driving with this? Is this distracting,
like,
or is it like...
No, it's so comfortable. I don't know. It's just like crazy.
I don't know. I've never seen this in a truck. I know like they had massaging seats, but like I never experienced it. So then when you experience it, it's like, what the heck?
It's amazing.
Yeah, that's another feature that's nice about this truck. Alright guys, so today is the final day for you to claim your double entries. All you gotta do is go hit that link down in the description or go to lmpgear.com. Every $5 is 2 entries, so go claim them while you can. Giveaway ends October 27th. No, it's not for this truck behind me, but it is for the 2019 Dodge Ram 3500. Stick around for the end of the video if you want to see what it looks like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do hit that subscribe button if you are new. Please leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and to welcome the new F-250 to the channel, and I'll catch you in another video. Peace.